Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we're doing a review on these three-piece telescopic inspection mirrors. These things are pretty sweet. These are very helpful if you're like, say, a mechanic, for example. You need to search for something far underneath and tilt it back. This is a really nice mirror, actually, very clear. The mirror itself, that does come with three of them. We got a small, medium, and a large one. Small one, obviously, for hard to reach places. But this mirror is completely 360 and all directional, which is really nice. It can be used on the go. It does have a little clip right here, which you can attach to, say, your pant loop, for example. And yeah, this one is tiny, super tiny one, but very nice extendability right here. Amazing for hard to reach places if I needed to look underneath my desk, for example, or just around a corner. But these are super helpful for that. This one also does come with a little grip on the side, and just extend this out and full 360 rotation there. Well, I hope you guys enjoy and have a great rest of your day.